Alright guys, we have entered JB Motoren Garage. Sickest upgrade for the CFMoto. The 450, brand new. How many kilometers? 2 2 kilometers. But look at this. Nice. But that isn't all. There is more. Cartridges for the front. And this will be sick. Sick! Certified sickness. And it is from TFX Suspension. Nice. And so far what we did is the MIVV Exhaust. Made it ourselves. Well, actually Jarno made it itself. Skidplate from Acerbid. Don't know. Nice and sturdy. There is a twin air inside already. And we have the... It's Cycra? We have this brand, Cycra, I'm not sure how to pronounce. And nice mirrors. And with only 2 kilometers on the clock, it's far from stock. So after today, some serious suspension. So this will be the new OTR machine. So that Jarno, because he is already quite old, can keep up with us on the KTM. The nice thing about the CFMoto is that you have this from factory. It's by default in this hole, but if you put it in this one, then the bike will come a little bit lower. Nice. Oh. How to remove your rear suspension. Sick. Jarno is going so fast. It's already inserted in the back. Out was easier than in. Yeah. Like so. So keep it like that. Then insert the pin up there. And drop your bolt like 5 times. Small hands only.
Yeah. Chinese hands.
The 3rd time. Okay, I'm gonna help him. Okay, we are back online, and what you have to do is through this hole put the nut on it, in it, and then the bolt from the other side. You have to pull these cables. Then this one, nut from the other side, bolt from this side, and then the big one, 18. And that's all from the backside suspension. Nice, and you have some preload and some...
Preload, compression and rebound.
Preload, compression and rebound. The whole package. It looks faster already. Okay, now to the front. Here you have the front. Nice, nice. Nice and blue. Nice and TFX. And these guys are from the Netherlands. And this one is the old one, brand new, 2 kilometers.
For sale.
It's for sale, yeah. So, and what else do we have in the shop? This nice R1 Yamaha with a broken engine. The new one is in there. And we have a Honda, a Kawa, and obviously my KTM.
What else?
with broken everything. Stupid. First step is to remove these little fairings on the front. And you can see the nice single disc. And it does have keep suspension from factory. Stolen from Yamaha. It's nice to work on a brand new bike. No dirt or other anything.
Not yet.
Okay, we remove the front wheel. Now these nuts, bolts, these bolts, and then the front suspension goes like this. Nice. Two kilometers old. Now we have these special tools. Blech. Okay, the issue is we have to go to that piece inside of the front suspension. It's quite deep. Manually adjusting a tool, try to fit it. And although we have very special tools for this, this isn't the correct size. Okay, it is loose. This one needs to get out. And therefore you need to have a special tool, this thing on the bottom. But it doesn't want to get loose, so we figured something with this. Only what you need to know is it is a 21 that goes on there. Not sure how we did it, but we did it. And the new system is completely different. And completely more nice. And good to know we are working on the left side, which is the rebound side. We have noticed some quality issues compared to what we used to. Normally this one is tight from the bottom inside your cartridge stuff. This one. But it wasn't tight, so this one was stuck all the way at the bottom of the front suspension. So it did require a little bit of force and we cannot use it anymore. But that's okay, because we're going to replace it with a whole other cartridge. And so if you get stuck on the same stuff as we did with this little thing, just use a 22 socket and don't let it win. So now we have reached the better part. It is Jarno playing with oil. I will put the fancy music on this. And the nice thing is with TFX they will provide you with the correct oil thickness. Okay, and tighten the left suspension back in, and then we continue to the right leg, and we hope that that one will be easier. Okay, and for the second leg we are lucky enough that it came out in one shot. See, you can see he's quite happy now. This is the piece I just told you about. It should be like this all together. So here you can see that piece should be in there, and normally it's tightened enough that you get it all out in all together, but the first leg, this one stayed inside the leg. So continue with the, what is this side?
Compression.
The compression side. Compression goes in the right side. For your understanding, all these, a lot of mess, a lot of stuff comes out of the forks. Even Jarno is surprised.
Crap. Chinese crap.
Chinese crap. We cannot say that because the CFMoto is nice. Excuse me, sir, but what are you doing?
Pumping.
Pumping? Pump up the jam. Okay, front wheel back in, and then we are going to put it on his feet and to see if we notice any difference. Probably a little bit, because we are still in the garage. So the real test will be in 2 weeks.
Sounds so good.
Cheap. Later. So now we are tweaking the suspension. Oh yeah.
Beter. Goed beter.
Much better.
Muchos.
Alright, suspension is done. It took us 1.5 hours, front and back. And the difference, it's very noticeable already, but the real test will be in 2 weeks when we take it off-road. It's a little bit higher, but still good for my short Legos. Nice, nice. Trash. And look who is late to the party.
Whoa.
Weight test. Nice.
180. Oh nee, wacht. Nu nog even omhoog en nog kijken of je dan nul is.
So that was it for today, and we see you in the next one when we take it off-road for a proper test ride and its first scratches.